Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to talk to you about giving silver as a gift. Now it's just over a month away before we reach Christmas, and what better time to give your family or friends a piece of silver. Now I'm not talking to buy them a 1 kilogram bar or a 10-ounce bar, but if you just brought them a 1 ounce bullion silver coin to add to their Christmas present, or even if you're struggling to decide what to get people for Christmas, just give them a 1 ounce bar as their main present. It's around about £30. That's more than enough for a present, and it could actually completely change their mindset. It could spark an interest in silver stacking, and what better present to get someone into stacking silver and preserving their wealth and just kind of looking into investments. Now they might look at the coin and see the face value is £2 and assume that they've just been given a £2 coin, or they might start doing a bit of research and Google it and work out its true value, and it might kind of pique their interest. Now for those of you that stack silver, you'll know that it's very addictive. Once you unbox a coin, a piece of silver, it's very mesmerizing. It's the most reflective metal, so it looks very, very nice in the hand, and it could just be enough to kind of really get them looking into precious metals, especially people that have never held a silver coin before. It could be enough to spark their interest. They could start Googling it and looking it up and working out how much it's really worth, and that could be like the start of their stacking journey. And how nice would it be to say, like 5 years down the line, when someone comes to you and they say they've got 500 ounces in their stack or 1,000 ounces in their stack, and it all started from that 1 ounce coin that you gave them for Christmas. Now I'm not saying to buy every single person in your family a 1 ounce coin, because that's going to start to add up. But if you just say selected, I don't know, 5 people in your family that you think could potentially be interested in stacking precious metals, maybe your younger brother or sister or your best friend or someone like that, just buy them a 1 ounce Britannia or whatever your your country's bullion coin is, and just add it to their present. And like I said, if you haven't got their present, why not make it their main present? Buy them a couple of 1 ounce silver coins, wrap it up in a nice box, and just kind of see where it goes. It might not go anywhere, but like I said, how nice would it be if that was enough to get them into stacking and researching stacking and realizing how much potential silver has. And it would just be so nice to know that you started off their journey, you kick-started their journey. Now especially if you've got someone in your family that's not very good with money, that likes spending, that's got a bit of a spending problem, this could be the perfect gift for them. Because like I've said in a previous video, when you buy silver, in my eyes, you're spending, but you're not actually spending. You're just changing your fiat currency into a precious metal and holding on to that money. You're not buying a new pair of trainers that's not going to be worth anything, or a new car that in the future is going to be losing value. You're buying something that in the future potentially is going to go up in value. So at the very least, it's never going to go to zero like a pair of trainers would eventually. So just something to think about. Let me know your thoughts on it. Some of you might already be planning to give people silver presents for Christmas. Some of you might be thinking, what can I get my mum for Christmas? What can I get my dad for Christmas? What can I get my siblings for Christmas? And you might be out of ideas, and this could be the perfect idea. Just because they're not currently into silver, you might think, oh, I'm not going to get them any silver because they don't understand it, they're not into it. But what better way to get them into it by just giving them some silver? And at the very least, if they don't do anything about it, they don't act on it, and they just put the silver coin in their drawer, and then a year later they're having a tidy out and they find the silver coin, and then they research it and it's gone up in value by £5 or whatever it may be, that could be enough to suddenly spark their interest in it, and then they can start stacking from then on. So it's just a way of kind of planting the seed to try and shift people's mindsets and almost encouraging people to look into alternative assets. You get a lot of people that invest in stocks and crypto and all the rest of it, and a lot of people look at precious metals as a kind of an older generation investment, but it's really, in my opinion, one of the best investments out there. You physically have it in your hand. No one can hack an app and it disappears. So yeah, something to think about. Like I said, I'm going to be giving a couple of family and friends some 1 ounce silver coins this Christmas, and it'll be really interesting to see their reactions and to see where it goes. So let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section down below. Are you planning to give anyone any silver this Christmas? Or if not, could you give someone some silver? Is it an idea? Have you got someone in your family or your friend circle that's not very good with money and they're always spending, and this could potentially change their life? So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.